So whenever you're starting out, you just want to go ahead and disassemble everything. We're going to take the visor off. We're going to take these air vents off just to make it super easy to wrap. Here, pop these out. Use a little prying tool like this, stick it in there, twist it sideways, and it'll pop those up super easy for you. With this helmet, see this body line going across here? This all is going to be one piece. This whole part going across here. But I'm going to split it up, and we're going to make this area in the front my camo piece, and the rest is going to be red going around. Then, since we got this body line here that's going to be wrapped, we're going to come in with our next piece, which is going to be these two parts, and those are going to be another overlay, leaving just enough here for a kind of racing stripe, if you will, and that's going to be another cap off piece. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. And we're going to put that slightly below that body line. The reason we're starting off with this piece first is because it's a lower piece. So it's going to be this piece down and the other piece laying on top. That way if we have rain running off, then it just slides down the helmet and it's not getting into that crevice, that overlay. So that'll just prevent it from failing a lot sooner, or from failing at all while you have this helmet wrapped. So as you can see, got it wrapped all the way around. Just want to make sure we got full coverage first. Peel back the backing paper. Start wrapping this thing. Got the backing paper all the way off. Just take it all the way around. I'm going to go ahead and put our wrap glove on. Spray it out a little bit. Get a little damp so we can work the vinyl easier. This vinyl, heat it up, get it nice and soft. Work out the first couple of wrinkles. This top edge. So once we got this area worked out, then we're going to flip it on its side. At that point we need very minimal stretch. So just lift it up to where the wrinkles start. Give this whole area heat. Heating from my fingers down. I hold the helmet and give it a little stretch. As long as these lines are going in, the wrinkle lines are going in this direction, you're good. As long as they're not up and down. So when they're going in this direction, we could just come up here, lift up a little bit, and give it some heat. Then you can lay it back down. Same thing for this bottom area. After I get this top edge laid down, I'll come in, lift it up, give it some heat. I pulled it a little too hard right then. Just shrink it back. Now I'm going to lay my knifeless how I want to, so I want to do it along this body line right here. So I'm going to go ahead and lay that knifeless. on that body line. Heating up the vinyl one more time, just get all these little creases and wrinkles out. I'm just laying it softly. No crazy tension. Pinch my knifeless tape, give it a little yank. Pinch my string and the vinyl. And go ahead and pull that. And we completed this side. So, do the exact same thing on this side as you did on the first side. So next, quality control. Just want to go and tuck all those little edges in. Trim out what needs to be trimmed. You can get these tucking tools on Amazon. Type in vinyl tools or something like that, it should pop up. Hose heat all the way around. Make sure you didn't overstretch. We're just going to go back and trim it all the way around the helmet. Nice and slow. No need to be in a rush, because then you'll have to relay the whole piece. Using our knifeless, line up the edge of the green with the edge of the red. Got that laid. Now we're going to cut out a little piece of camo to slap on top. Pick one side up and heat it. Give it a little pull. Lay it down. Get it pulled across the other side. Knifeless is here. Knifeless is here. So we go ahead and cut this whole edge out. So just going ahead and laying that knifeless. Doing your best to keep it on the edge of that red. And we want to follow the body line for the top piece. Go ahead and get that laid. Now using the backing paper, you go ahead and get a tack point on the front of the helmet. Peel some of this back. And then you can use the backing paper to help you glass the helmet. Okay. So we got this front part laid. That whole area soft. All right. Didn't need any tools. Just use the backing paper to help you glass everything. One hand was holding the backing paper, one hand was pushing the back of the helmet. I'm pulling the vinyl in that direction and this direction to glass it out. Kind of like a triangle style. Pull our knifeless all the way across the top. Give it a little post heat. Let it shrink down. Get comfortable where it's gonna lay. You got no pilling, you're good. Post heat. Push the wrinkles one way, push them the opposite way, push them back that way. So, everything laid flat. Got no wrinkles. I'm gonna post heat one more time. Nothing pops up that second time. And good to go. Laid. Get the next one laid. Make sure that you're giving yourself enough knifeless tape to actually pull it through. It's a good amount that you could pinch it and pull through. Go ahead and get it started. When we get it started, just gonna make sure that edge is already laid in there. From there, we want to give it a little stretch because the helmet is curved. So got that, we can start laying. Get it soft enough, just give it a little tug. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it off. Continue to heat this, get these little wrinkles out from the side. Just want to lift, but not pull. Got that side. Remember what I said, all the tension is pulling across this helmet, so when I heat it, there's going to be no wrinkles. If anything, it's going to hug the helmet tighter. So just go ahead and finish laying that down. Same thing for the other side. Just going to go ahead and trim it out. Give that another little post heat. So if you guys like videos like this, do me a favor and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will push more videos out like this in the future.